Read the following passage, then answer the questions. Computers are machines that can help us in many ways, but they cannot think or do things on their own. Humans have to feed them with information and tell them what to do with it. They can save much time and work. For example, all the information and the office files can be stored in a computer's memory. The first computers were huge and costly. They filled up almost the whole floor of large offices. Later, because of the usefulness and demand for computers in business, scientists soon found ways to produce cheaper and smaller computers. They invented chips which made it possible to store more information in less space. Today, computers are not only cheaper, but also more compact. They can just be placed on top of an ordinary writing table. They can even be carried from place to place easily. Computers are not only used in offices by companies, but they are not mechanical people. They are only moving parts controlled by a computer. A robot can do the same work for 24 hours, and yet it does not complain or get tired. In Japan and in some places in America, robots are used in factories to assemble cars. As computers become more common in businesses and factories, people fear that one day computers and computer-controlled robots will put human workers out of work. Choose the correct answer from A, B, C, or D. 1. Humans fear that one day computers and robots, A, are busier than humans, B, are cleverer than humans, C, will make humans jobless, D, will make humans listen to certain noise. 2. The best title to this passage would be A, Computers and Robots, B, Old and New Computers. Robots are security guards, the electronic invention. 3. Find a word in the passage that has the same meaning as more compact, huge, cheaper, smaller, D, costly. 4. Which of the following statements is not true? A. Robots are controlled by a computer. B. Robots are mechanical people. C. Robots do not get tired of working. D. Robots are used in factories in Japan. The first computers filled up a room because A. They could store a lot of information. B. They were huge. C. They were very expensive. D. They were useful and demanded in business. 6. Humans have to feed the computers with information. A. So, computers cannot move or do things on their own. Because computers are able to think or do things on their own. C. Because computers can save much time and work. D. Because computers cannot think or do things on their own. 7. The underlined word they refers to A. People, B. Robots, C. Computers, D. Places. 8. The computer was made smaller. A. Because it became more expensive. B. Because of the demand for it in business. C. Because of globalization. D. Because robots are small.